In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align images in Obsidian. Obsidian, as you may know, is a fantastic tool for personal knowledge management, loved by many for its versatility and rich customization options. However, when it comes to formatting visuals like images, it can sometimes be a bit tricky, especially for those new to the platform. That said, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process in a way that's straightforward and simple to follow. To begin, you'll want to install a plugin called Image Tools from the Community Plugins browser within Obsidian. This plugin is a real game changer as it significantly enhances the functionality related to images in your notes. First, you need to open Obsidian and locate the Community Plugins section. You can find this by going to the Settings menu. Once there, you'll see an option that says Community Plugins. Clicking on it will open a browser specifically dedicated to finding and adding plugins. Now, you might notice a message cautioning you about third-party plugins. This is just a reminder to be careful when integrating third-party tools into your workspace. But since Image Tools is a widely used and trusted plugin, we're safe to proceed. In the search bar of the Community Plugins browser, type Image Tools. It should pop up as one of the top results. Click on it, and you will see an option to install or download the plugin. Go ahead and click that. Once Image Tools is installed, you'll need to enable it. Back in the Community Plugins menu, you should now see Image Tools listed among your plugins. Make sure to toggle the switch to enable it. With Image Tools active, you can now transform how your images behave within your notes. For aligning images, this tool is incredibly user-friendly. It provides a simple, intuitive interface allowing you to align images left, center, or right with just a click. Typically, once you insert an image into your note, you'd want to click on the image to bring up the Image Tools options. There you'll find icons representing left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. Selecting any of these options will instantly reposition your image accordingly. Not only does this make your notes more visually appealing, but it also enhances readability, ensuring your images support your text in the most effective way possible. Additionally, the plugin allows you to easily drag and resize your images, giving you even greater control over how your visual elements are presented. And there you have it. By using the Image Tools plugin, managing images in Obsidian becomes a smooth and effortless process. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Obsidian user, this tool will undoubtedly make your notes more dynamic and organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your experience using Obsidian. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.